Hi, welcome back. How's it going? Now today we're diving into the world of email marketing side hustles and making money with email, whether that's for your business or writing emails for cash for someone else as a side hustle. Hi, it's Les Blythe, welcome back. I just want to mention that I have a free online masterclass lined up for you that includes expert advice on how to make serious money through email marketing. So stick around because at the end of this video, I'll point you to my free masterclass, all right? So let's get straight to the point. Now, you might be sending out emails, but are they getting opened? If not, then all your hard work is going straight to the trash, and that's the last thing we want, right? Now, getting your emails opened is absolutely critical. Now, why? Because it's the first step in engaging with your audience and ultimately connecting and converting them into paying customers. So you've got to get your emails opened. So let's talk about why this is so important. Now, imagine you're running a business, you've crafted this amazing email, and it's packed with value and a killer offer. But the problem is, if no one opens it, it's like it never existed. This not only affects your business, but also your income potential as a writer or as a marketer. It's heartbreaking to see your hard work go unnoticed. You'll appreciate that. So how do we ensure our emails get opened? It all starts with the subject line. Now think of the subject line as the headline of a news article. It needs to grab attention and it needs to compel the reader to click. Now here are 5 expert tips, as I promised you at the start. Now the first thing is keep it short and sweet. Right? In today's fast-paced digital world, people are bombarded with emails every single day. Now, as a result, they often skim through their inboxes quickly, deciding which emails to open and which to ignore. This is why keeping your subject line short and sweet is absolutely crucial. Now, aim for around 6 to 10 words. A concise subject line can effectively convey your message without overwhelming the reader. So keep it short. So for instance, exclusive offer just for you or new arrivals in store are examples of short subject lines that clearly communicate the email's content. Okay, now long complicated subject lines are more likely to be overlooked or truncated or cut short, especially on mobile devices. And according to studies, about 46% of all emails opens occur on mobile devices. So that makes it even more important to keep your subject lines brief. A short subject line ensures your message is fully visible regardless of the device the recipient is using. Now, additionally, a clear, concise subject line respects your audience's time, making it more likely they'll open your email. So keep it short. The second tip is create curiosity. Now, creating curiosity in your subject line is a powerful way to increase open rates. Humans are naturally curious creatures, and we have a hard time resisting the urge to find out more when something piques our interest. For example, a subject line like "you won't believe what's inside" or "guess what we have for you" can really trigger this sense of curiosity, prompting the reader to open the email to satisfy that curiosity, okay? Now, however, it's important to kind of strike a balance. While your subject line should entice the reader, it shouldn't be misleading. The content of your email must deliver on the promise of your subject line. If readers feel tricked or disappointed by the content, they may lose trust in your emails, and that leads to lower open rates in the future. Creating curiosity effectively involves giving just enough information to spark interest without revealing too much, ensuring that the reader is motivated and clicks to find out more. Third tip is use numbers and lists. Now, using numbers and lists in your subject lines is a proven technique to boost open rates. Subject lines like 5 tips to boost your sales, or for example, 10 secrets to better health, tend to perform well because they promise specific structured information. Numbers give the impression that the content is organised and easily digestible, which is appealing to readers, who, on the other hand, may feel overwhelmed by all the stuff they get into their inbox. Numbers also create a sense of predictability and expectation. When readers see a numbered list, they know exactly what to expect and how much time it might take to read the email. Now, this can make them more likely to open it, especially if they're looking for quick, actionable insights. Additionally, numbers stand out visually in a sea of text, catching the reader's eye and drawing them in to your email. Using odd numbers can be particularly effective. I do this all the time. Studies have shown that odd numbers are more memorable and can capture attention much better than even numbers. So next time you're crafting a subject line, consider using numbers to highlight the value and the structure of your content. Tip number 4 is personalize. Personalization is a key factor in making your email stand out, including the recipient's name or something specific about them in the subject line can make the email feel more tailored and relevant, increasing the likelihood of it being opened. So for example, a subject line like, "John, your exclusive offers inside," or "Sarah, don't miss this opportunity," feels more personal and engaging than a generic subject line. People appreciate when they feel recognized and valued. So personalization helps build a connection with your audience. and can significantly improve your open rates. But personalization goes beyond just using the recipient's name. It can also involve tailoring the subject line based on the recipient's past behavior, preferences, or location. So for instance, your favorite items are back in stock, or special event near you can create a more personalized experience. All right, now again, it's important to use personalization thoughtfully and not overdo it too much. So too much personalization or using it inappropriately can come off as creepy or intrusive. The key is to make your recipient feel special without crossing boundaries. Okay, so be careful with that. And the final tip is create urgency. Now, creating a sense of urgency in your subject line is an effective way to encourage immediate action from the reader. Words and phrases that imply time sensitivity, such as today only, limited time offer, or last chance, can motivate readers to open your email right away rather than putting it off for later. Urgency taps into the fear of missing out. That's also known as FOMO, which is a powerful psychological trigger. So, for example, a subject line like flash sale ends tonight creates a sense of urgency and compels the reader to act quickly. This technique is particularly effective for promotional type emails, event invitations, or time-sensitive announcements. Now, by conveying that the offer or opportunity is limited, you can prompt your audience to prioritize your email over others. However, again, it's important to use urgency genuinely and sparingly. Overusing urgency can lead to it losing its effectiveness and can even annoy your audience. If every email you send is marked as urgent, recipients may become desensitized to it and start ignoring your emails altogether, so be careful with that. So use urgency to strategically highlight truly time-sensitive offers and events. Now, getting your emails open is just the beginning. Once you've mastered the subject line, you need to deliver on the promise inside your email. Now, imagine if every email you sent had a high open rate. Your business would thrive, your income would skyrocket, and if you were writing for a client, you'd become like an email marketing superstar. And here's the best part. To help you achieve this, I've got a free email marketing masterclass that covers everything you need to know, from crafting the perfect subject line to writing persuasive email copy that converts. All right. Now, my course, my masterclass, is packed with insider tips and expert advice that will help you make serious bucks. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to sign up for the free email marketing masterclass. Do that now. Okay. Now, trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity to take your email marketing skills to the next level. All right. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.